We now learn how to teach the clean station program. First, we learn the here C3D and the clear is the clean station program. We first check the welding wire. Here is welding wire. We must change the welding wire length is about 50 millimeter. Okay, 50 millimeter. Okay. Then learn how to teach the program. We first move the here is from 14 step teacher program clean 1, clean 2, right? Here we learn how to teach it. First one, teaching one is here. Is robot the here. Robot here the position. We now use the A and the Shift A and place the position the modified. Okay, choose it. And modify the position step 14. Yes, place the yes. Place the yes. Place the A. Okay. Now do the 45 step. 45 step. Then move the clean 2 position to the robot to here. Seat. To the 2 position to here. Then we create modify the position 2, which was here, and place the yes. Then let the watch go here. Okay. Okay. The robot the clean 3 the position move it to here. That's it. Then sit. Okay. To the middle. Okay. Okay. Then modify the position. Choose. Okay, we now do it. Let the touch go the cutting drawers the middle. Okay. Okay, the clean 4 position will move the bottom moved here. See it? Move it here. Then choose A and here. Modify. Okay. We now seat the modifier. Here is done the change it. We modify moving clean 5 position, let the touch go up. Clean the 6 to here, 7 go down. Okay. Now teach clean 5 position. Okay. The here is the touch go up. You can see here. Okay, go up. In the position, choose the clean 5. Then we do the 6. Okay, we do the touch. Clean the 6 position. Clean the 5 position here. We go to here. Clean the 6, right? Then 105. Okay, we now choose the 7. Choose 7. 7 is let the touch go down. We now do it. Okay, we now see the robot. Clean the 7 position. Let the to here. You can see this line about the here to the here. Okay. Not contact here. Only from 6 go down. Then clean the 7. Contact the basis. Okay. We now clean the 7. Here is 6. 7 to here. 8 to here. Okay. We now clean the 105. Clean the 7 position. Yes. Okay. We now do clean the 8. Okay. We now do clean the 8. Clean the 8. You can use the hand. Choose contactor. Okay. Then here. We 105. Okay. Then you can see the single in the program. Choose the wait 0.5 seconds and open the 6 output. We can here. We choose how to choose the modifier. You can see choose here menu and choose the output single, right? Output. If you not output, you can see if here is not output, you can see choose here and choose modify machine. You choose the output. Choose the output. We now open here you can see the 6. This one is not open. We now open it. Okay, see it? How to open it? We choose the single X. Here is 6, right? We choose the A and this one is on. Here is limit, right? It's right. Can see it? How to off? Here, choose the off. See it? Okay. How to open the server? You can see it. We must from First open the 6, then choose the 7, then open it. Here is working, right? We close it. Here it's done, right? Okay, we now choose the next teach position. It's 9, right? Choose 9. Then off, close, open this. Okay. 6. Then let the touch go here, go to the middle. Okay, we do it. Here is clean line. Okay, we now do the clean line to here. No contact here, no contact here. To the middle. Then choose the clean the line and modify the position. Yes, press yes. Okay, we do the next 10. Let the touch go up. We do it. Okay, let the touch go up to here. See it? Only move the Z to up. Then modify. Yes. Then choose 11. 11, how to set the 11 is same the clean the 1. Clean 1. We do it. How to move it? You can see the step is 17.7, right? We now choose the clean one. How to step? Choose the 14. You just see it. 14 is clean one, and then let the robot go to the clean one. Press this button, then choose go. You can change the speed. Let the robot go teach one. Clean one. Speed a little. Okay, robot is go here. Then choose the step 45 775, right? And press enter. Then we to modify the position. Okay. Then the clean station, the program is the teaching is finished. We now run it. Okay. How to run the program? We first from the program to the step 1, choose this button and choose 1, and press the end here, right? With the manual, use the manual model to run the clean station program. We choose the speed, choose 5, and then here is check to the check. If you check once, change the to check continue. Okay, checking the continue. Then we use this press this button and choose go. Okay, see it. Go. Right? Okay, it's good.